What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. We're going to be briefly talking about forces acting on a point. And this is so important, guys. And this is where trigonometry story really manifests its true power, guys, in these types of graphs and diagrams. So this is just a simplified version where and how trigonometry is applied here. Okay. We got some generalizations here. We're zoom up a little bit, generalizations here, and what you see, guys, is just the sum of all the forces, right? This is physics. The sum of all the forces acting on an object. And part two of this, I'm gonna do that. So you have the trigonometric functions multiplied by the force, right? It has some effects on that object as well. Okay, so it leads up to that final result. So this is why college algebra, geometry, and calculus, all that stuff really matters in physics. Okay, it's very important. So yeah, I thought I will demonstrate this, guys. All right. So this is a really cool video, guys. What do you use this for? Basically, we use it for calculating stresses on buildings. Okay, or statics. Cause we want to make sure these balance out. Okay. That's one way of looking at it. Then you want to obtain the vector or resultant of all the forces. Yeah, you can do that as well. But in the typical real world, this is definitely a real world problem. So you're dealing with more dimensions. That's why I present it this way. To give you guys a feel of the real world problems. And what I use this for, I use it for like research and teaching. So you notice I'm always doing a lot of math and a lot of research. Well, not heavy research, but it's like basic stuff out of the various textbooks and stuff like that. So let me be honest with you, I am a former college student. So yeah, I just like doing this for fun. Guys, hope you see you next video. Bye-bye.